hiccuping. Eyes are starting to water. We have another challenge for you today. This isn't the hottest chocolate in the world, but it is pretty dang hot. I'm pretty sure the hottest in the world is the Hellfire Infused, which is 9 million Scoville. I think this one, if I believe I'm right, it ranks around 2 million. So it's still really hot. 2 million Scoville is really, really hot. That's pretty much what like the one chip challenge was, 2 million. So today we're doing the Choco challenge from Fuego Spice Company, aka White Lightning, white chocolate bar infused with 12 Carolina Reapers. I got this from Pucker Butts, which is Smokin' Ed Curry's company. Now, for every box that you buy, they donate 50 meals to Feeding America. So you can see right here, feedingamerica.org, Choco, hashtag end hunger, chocochallenge.com. For every chocolate challenge bar purchase, 50 meals will be donated to local food banks to end hunger. And it has Feeding America here on the other side of it as well. Now let me get to the back of it. It says, a merge between good and evil. The Choco Challenge is for the pain-seeking masochist who wants to join the fight to end hunger but also has no regard for their well-being. Our second iteration is fired up by an insanely spicy, unreleased 12-pepper blend exclusive to the Choco Challenge. Contains no extracts whatsoever. Hand-selected to pair with white chocolate, an unreleased 12-pepper blend becomes the mad scientist Smokin' Ed Curry's secret garden of devilish delights, also known as Puckerbutt Peppers Company's testing ground for the development of the world's hottest peppers. Visit chocochallenge.com for more info. Warning, do not eat if you have any food allergies or allergic to capsaicin. Keep away from children. Do not consume if you're breastfeeding or pregnant or have a medical condition. If you get burned up, try eating some bread or drinking some milk. Eat at your own risk. Okay, so I'm going to do the typical 5-minute afterburn. I've seen some people do this. It's a mixed reaction. Some people have said it's really insanely hot. Some people have kind of went with it and ate a couple of them. So here we are. Here's the rules. In partnership with Feeding America, 50 meals worth of food will be donated for every Choco Challenge purchase. Crazy enough to take this challenge. 1, eat the entire chocolate bar, which we have right here, all sealed up and good. A little cool little thing on the back. Film it, take your video or photo, and attempt to eat the delicious white chocolate bar from hell. Terrible, sweet pain awaits. 3, share it. Post your attempt on social media for a chance to win a year's worth of hot sauce. If anybody knows me, I'd like a year's worth of hot sauce. You also enter your entry through email. We'll pick 5 random winners in August of 2020 and 5 more in April of 2021. There's a bunch of other stuff here. Now the last thing is on the inside of the box here. Says, you must be insane. Last chance to turn back to consume this pain. So, it's not very big. It's fairly small. I am pretty nervous because I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I've had anything like this before. I definitely have never had super spicy chocolate. Let me look and see. Now it looks kind of like butterscotch. Oh, you can smell the peppers in that. Wow. That is chocolate. That is white chocolate and peppers, and that's exactly what it tastes or what it smells like. It smells just like chocolate and peppers. And the peppers are overmasking the chocolate, which is scaring me. That's scary. Whew. Okay. here we go. Choco Challenge 2020. 5-minute afterburn afterwards. Let's do it. Ooh. Starting timer now. Okay. Hiccuping. Eyes are starting to water. Ooh, hiccuping bad. Trying to compose myself. Scale of 1 to 10. Let's say a 6. About a 6. I can tell as Reaper. The Reaper is all over. There might be some scorpion in that. Maybe, because I can feel it in the back of my throat. Not really much on my lips. But overall, compared to like the one chip, not even close. Not even close to the one chip challenge at all. I'm crying though. I got tears. Hiccups are starting to die down. Heat's starting to die down. I feel it in my chest right here. And my ears are starting to ring. Whew. That's good. I would say high 6, close to 7 for sure. I've had some sauces hotter than that, and I've had, like I said, the one chip challenge way hotter than that. Oh. I suck spit down my throat with it in it. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. See, the heat I can bear, but it gets you the lightheadedness. There's some things, it's weird. The last challenge we did, the yacht ones, the last wing with the bomb in it, got me lightheaded. I know the gator sauce with pepper X in it got me lightheaded. There's just some things. I didn't get lightheaded with the one chip challenge. So it's just some things just get me off kilter. Taste just tasted like peppers. I could barely taste the chocolate at all. It was just heat and peppers. That's all it was. Whew. It's starting to calm down a lot now. I think I'm about down to a 4. Other than my throat, this part of my throat, I feel like the chocolate kind of, when I chewed it up, is kind of just sitting and running down through my chest. And that's the only places that burn right now. And that's why I think I'm lightheaded. But taste-wise, No, I couldn't even taste the chocolate at all. Just tasted like straight peppers, straight super hots. Um, whew. Down to almost out a minute now left, and my pain has gone down to about a 4. Heat has calmed down to about a 4 as well. Still lightheaded, still dizzy. And we still have a lot of challenges coming up for you. We have another wing challenge here in Cincinnati. We have the triple atomic wings from Quaker Steak. We have the Death Nut, Little Nitro. So I still have a ton more stuff coming up. 27 seconds. Whew. White Lightning. You are something, I'll tell you what. That was definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. I'm going to try to keep my everything off the table. That way I don't shake anything. Oh, that was definitely interesting, man. Oh. Well, we are done. There we are. Whew, and I can place this baby back up on the mantle, knowing I completed the Choco Challenge 2020. I am successful. I'm going to get my big Cincinnati, well, Columbus Zoo drink here. Ah, that felt good. Whew. Now I'm really starting to get at the top here. This is cranberry juice. It will stop with the heat because of the sugar in it. Hopefully I can get these burps out. Not cramp. Hopefully I'm not going to hate myself in like an hour. We'll see. I suffered for you, so the least you can do is like and subscribe. We post weekly, so please keep up to date. And we'll be back next week with a new hot challenge. Thank you again for watching. I'll catch you next time.